Hey Econ students, this is Mr. Clifford with Acgc Econ. Today we're going to be talking about externalities.
Externalities are the uncompensated impact of one person's actions on the well-being of a bystander. Negative externality. An example is if somebody smokes, everyone else has to breathe in that smoke and they don't get compensated for it.
My fingers here?
What's the
You can
example?
put a cigarette in. Yeah?
The marginal social cost. And right here we have the marginal social benefit. The free market puts you right here. Free market. But when you calculate externalities, the social cost is right here at the true equilibrium.
So right here we got the free market demand, and right here we got the free market supply. But let's say this is the supply of cigarettes, right? So, or demand for cigarettes. So the socially optimum amount of amounts for cigarettes is actually right here because this has a negative externality. So this is the amount that's actually produced unless there's a corrective policy that brings it down to here, the socially optimum amount.
One of the policies. So cigarettes suck a ton and they don't benefit everybody or anybody. And so sometimes governments will put a tax on there to decrease the amount that is bought.
Solution number 2 to negative externalities is private solutions. So first, a lot of solutions to negative externalities actually come from moral codes and social sanctions. So one example of this is littering. Even though there are laws to prevent people from littering, it's usually just prevented because it's a bad thing to do. The golden rule just tells you that do unto others as you would want to be done unto you. Also charities. So some people just feel that they can benefit the world through spending of their own, and so they make charities to help with certain types of problems. So that's one example. Second is Coase theorem, which we'll explain.
Coase theorem is a theorem that states private parties will generally, if left to themselves, come out with an agreement, and it'll be perfectly efficient. Here's an example of that.
No.
Dick. Jane. Doggo. Has a dog, and the dog barks a lot.
I am
Jane
pissed about it.
does not like the dog. So Jane goes over to Dick and says,
Dude, kill your dog already. It's so annoying.
How much is it worth to you?
I don't know, like $100?
Okay, deal.
Coase theorem.
Externalities just really have changed my life in these last few weeks.
Positive externalities would be the same with, I don't know.